Sugar, 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 butter, sugar, butter, sugar, butter.
Hey guys, this is Gemma Arts with a Z. This is my channel, welcome. And today we are having a very sugary bullet journal. It's with donuts. If you don't like donuts yet, you will like them after this video, if only as a picture in your bullet journal. I also have a really nice quote. It's from Waitress, the musical, and it's amazing, that musical. So if you ever have the chance to see it, please go. It's on Broadway in New York. I know it's kind of far for some people, but it's definitely worth it. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can always ask them in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video if you actually like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new videos. I hope you're gonna like this one. Enjoy!
Sometimes one bite is more than enough to know you want more of the thing you just got a taste of.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And I'm a bit curious right now. Do you also crave donuts? Let me know in the comment section below. See you later!